nobody.
We are back with another YouTube video. As y'all see, the title again be our monthly reset routine. So we're gonna be resetting for the month of August. Today is Thursday, July 28th, and we have approximately 3 days to get ready for August. Okay. I do think I can manage to get everything, locked in tonight for this video and stuff like that, because it's not much. It's a pretty easy routine. I don't want to stress myself out too much for the new month, but yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing today. So right now in the bathroom, we're gonna do my skincare routine, and then from there we're gonna continue the video. I must say I already cleaned the bedroom because I was like, I can't go on camera with my room looking at this. So yeah, I already cleaned the bedroom. The floor is currently drying. I have the AC on, so the floor drying. I'm up sweep. I just need to put, I maybe just need to put like a few things like back in their place, but then that's it. And yeah, so right now we're going to do my skincare routine. I'm still using this skincare routine set. I honestly need to get another skincare routine because these products are almost done and the toner already finished at this point. So I need a new skincare set basically. I don't know what to do. I don't know if I should go shopping online to get a new set, or if I should like try one of these brands while on the island. I'm not too sure. I think I might just go by the beauty supply store, see what they have, and if they don't have anything that interests me, then I might order something online. It's been a long day at work. 1 week soon over. So happy. Oh my god, so happy. It's got next week and then that's it. It's gonna be a good week. Yeah, and I also need to like do something with my hair. Like I need to comb it. Like that's the issue. I need to comb it. I just want to get this dead screen off of my face. I know I'm feeling a mosquito, and I swear I killed all of them already. If y'all living in the Caribbean, this is your best friend. This is your best friend. Normally I would play a podcast. Here, let me play a podcast. So we're gonna go and podcast the app basically. We're gonna go in, what do we want to listen to? Self-healers, self-confidence, self-care, and chill with Maui. Self-love, self-improvement. Let's try that. One reason your self-care routine might not feel good anymore. Interesting. Okay, we're gonna listen to this one. So how to harness the benefits of a positive mind. It's 7 good minutes with Clyde Lee Dennis.
A positive attitude gives you power over your circumstances instead of your circumstances having power over you.
Alright, so I took my bath, put on some clothes. So I have on this like crop top. Let me show you. Like this crop top and some shorts. So it's a little black and white. So that's why I'm wearing something simple, something casual. The scent that I'm using is my one and only Victoria's Secret body mist. And then I'm also using Dove Advanced Care Invisible deodorant. I buy this soothing body lotion at Lucky's Cosmetics. Is a St. Eve's soothing body lotion with oatmeal and shea butter. It smells so good. Y'all saw me use the body wash for this, and the body wash smells so good. It's like basically the thing that worked when I Like basically when I buy the body wash first, then I saw the cream and the face mask and the face mask. I was like, oh, I should buy this too. You don't have this set, you know? And I buy it. At first, the face mask didn't come out of the tube. Like I was squeezing, it was hot. I was like, what the heck? It don't come out, you know? Then I don't know what my sister do. She would be like unblock it or something, and then it's have to like squeeze out. But with the cream, I can pump it how much I want, and like it's not coming out. So I have to like unscrew it and get it out from here. I don't know what to do with it, but for now I'm using it later. But if I don't have any tips on how to unblock it, then no. I think I just need to like unclog it and it'll be good, but then you never know. I don't really know what's wrong with it. Unless I have a that's what I use on skin. Normally I'll use like a shea butter pomade kind of wax thing to put on my skin, on my elbows mostly. But Nina went to this, so anyway, if y'all want to know what she's on, so using this time to make sure any content was no nice, no disturbing, no kids, no nothing. I'm gonna work on my frequency music, and then I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna see what I'm doing next. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do is journal. From there we can begin talking about August and stuff once we're done reflecting on July. Alright, so I went on Pinterest and I typed in monthly reflection, and I found some monthly reflection questions, really good ones. Here are some here on the screen. So here are a few that you could use. Screenshot, of course, y'all already know. You also have daily reflection ones, and you could use like weekly reflection ones. You know, you could actually use any kind of journaling prompt as long as you find it beneficial to you. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. So these are the questions. So you have, what have you learned this month? What has helped you remain balanced? Do you have new goals to meet? What has gone well for you? So I'm gonna fill this out and I'm gonna be right back with you guys. I really like to take my time. And do this. I don't like to be rushed because it's something that I really want to put my all into. I really want to take my time to answer it, because at the end of the year, that's something I'm gonna read back. That's something I'm gonna go back over, and I don't want to be lying or doing things quick, and I could have like mentioned something else, you know, stuff like that, or will make me feel better at the end of the year, if you understand where I come from. So I'm gonna fill this out, then I'll be back with you guys. Alright, so I filled it out. Y'all could read a little bit. It's nothing too personal, so it's just right. I love it. And of course I always leave like a little line in between to make it look well organized and clear. Y'all, I'm back home after spending like literally the whole night out. It's currently 1:16 a.m. I'm gonna watch some Netflix and I'm gonna go to bed. Good morning, guys. It's the next day. It's currently, I think, maybe 6:55. By this morning, we're gonna set our goals for August. Right here, I write August goals. And then I can list out about, you can say about 5 big goals. And then at the bottom, like smaller goals. So like you could say the big goal and then the small goals that I have to accomplish in order to get to the big goal. So this is how the page is looking. So I have August goals, I write big goals, 5 little squares, like basically checkbox, and then smaller goals and 5 little checkbox. And then I just like fill it out. And then at the end of the month, at the end of August, I'll come back and I'll like check whatever I got done, and if not, then I put an X on it. Alright, so I'm all done. My goals for August are written down. So that's it's currently 7:17, so I'm gonna start getting ready to go walk, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next clip for the next thing that we're gonna do.
Can I talk to you like this? I can't talk to you like this. Hold on. Like corners with their twists. I don't.
So next step of getting ready for August, we're gonna try and comb my hair. So it's actually been, I think, a week since I took my braids out, washed it, and now what I want to do for the next 6 months is basically grow my hair. So we can be trying to get into that. I don't think I'll be sharing much tips for hair on my channel because I'm not such a hair guru or like a professional or even someone that knows a lot about hair. But from what I can tell, my hair is, you could say, healthy. Yeah, you could say healthy because the curls are there, the curls are not going anywhere. And my ends, like my hair is always dry, that's one thing. My hair is always dry, so like I always try to like keep the ends tucked in so I don't lose it. But then at some point I always lose hair, and I feel is the fact that I just use combs and brushes in my hair, and that's what make me lose hair. You know, the Denman brush the Denman brush is basically the brush that looks like a comb. That one does work, it's cool. Like it is actually got like whole strands and not like just the ends, you know. So I know that does help me keep my length. But otherwise, I think I'm gonna start with the comb, start with the brushes. I mean, I might brush my hair 1 or 2 times, you know, to put it up in a bun. But honestly, I think I'm gonna stop with that because I need to find something. I need to find some growth in this. We're gonna be trying this hairstyle. Yes. So we're gonna try that hairstyle. It's from Why Not Go Natural and Pink. We're gonna try that hairstyle. I don't think I'll make the parts like equal or, you know, very straight. I think I'm gonna just like do it like with my hand and just comb it down. Something simple, something nice. I don't really want to hurt my hair, and I really want to be done by 8 p.m. as well. So let's start. Oh my god. Ooh. Is it me out of focus? Is my eyes out of focus or is the camera out of focus? Nah, my face look too greasy. My face look too greasy, but anyways, I finished my hair, so I gave myself these single braids. Super cute, super simple. In the morning, I just do my edges and that's it. But it's about time. It's about time that I take care of my hair once again. I had braids in. I think my hair was super dry when I had the braids in, but I did see some growth, like where I dyed in my hair. You could see like my black hair like grow out. Like that's when you know you got growth. Yeah, but the thing is, we gotta retain that length. We gotta learn length retention, but I think I'm gonna keep my hair like this. Well, I want to keep my hair like this for a few weeks. I really do. At least a week and a half. Yo, but I look sleepy. My eyes look red. Anyways, I'm gonna edit a YouTube video for a bit, and then after I'm gonna hit my bed because I have work tomorrow. Today is Sunday, July 31st. It's the last day. Tomorrow is August Monday. I'll be working tomorrow, so I can't go to August Monday. It's sad, but next year we'll see me for sure. But I just did an Instagram story dump. Doing those has helped me clear my gallery, my camera roll, so that I could have like new pictures and things coming in, you know, more storage as well. Sorry. What I want to do, well, tomorrow is August and today is Sunday. I wanted to get those things for August, but I had no time. It's basically for me to do some hair product shopping, because you asked me to comb my hair, it just motivates me to like take care of my hair now. And I actually think that we're ready for the month of August. I have all my Instagram posts scheduled on Facebook Creator Studio. I think I will take them down because I upload them and stuff on top of it, so you can schedule in advance. But once it's posted, I have to put yourself to that. Once it's posted, it loses the quality, so that got me fixed. So then I might take them down, or I might leave it, post, and then delete it and post it back. I don't really know, but like, it messing with me, honestly. I don't think I'm gonna limit a routine because it's not my normal routine. I do some things for my routine, but like I didn't do some things, for example, budgets. You know, I didn't do that in this video. Content planning, I do it all to this video. I did it already, but I didn't put it in this video because I really wanted it to be a relaxing video. And I also did it like before starting this video as well. So yeah, it can be a very relaxing video. I really want it to be like that, and I'm gonna try.
I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life.